In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to calendar apps in a simple and efficient way. Let's make sure your scheduling game is up to par using these powerful tools. To start off, the first thing you'll need to do is create a database in Notion that includes a date property. This is essential because without specifying dates and times, a calendar sync wouldn't make much sense. Think of the date property as the bridge that'll connect your Notion tasks to the calendar app, serving as a point of reference for all your events. Set up your Notion database with columns or fields that match your scheduling needs, and remember to designate at least one column for your dates. Once your database is ready, the next step is utilizing integrations, like Google Calendar Sync tools, which allows your Notion tasks to seamlessly integrate with your chosen calendar. This is where the magic happens. These integration tools will help you link up Notion with calendar platforms such as Google Calendar, enabling automatic updates that keep your schedules aligned without needing to input tasks manually into each app. You might want to explore different sync tools available online, selecting one that best suits your needs, whether it's Zapier, Automate.io, or other similar services. After you've got your integration method ready, you'll need to authorize Notion access. Authorization is a crucial step. For your Notion account to communicate effectively with your calendar apps, permissions must be correctly set up. Think of it as handing over the keys so they can work together. Usually, this is a straightforward process. You'll be prompted to log in and grant the necessary permissions, making sure your data flows securely between Notion and the calendar app. Finally, you will witness the syncing of events between the two apps. Once permissions are in place, your events should start appearing on both Notion and your calendar app. This will enable you to see all your tasks laid out in a calendar format, making planning and time management significantly easier. Do keep an eye on how smoothly the syncing process operates, ensuring that events update promptly as changes are made either on Notion or within your calendar app, preventing any discrepancies or missed tasks. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a more organized and interconnected digital workspace with Notion and your chosen calendar app working hand in hand to streamline your scheduling process. This setup lets you leverage the powerful features of Notion with the structured format of a calendar, maximizing both productivity and efficiency. Hope this tutorial helped, and happy organizing!